This is part 2 of a video replacing the igniter or igniter rod and the ground rod inside of the burner over there. And so my camera battery had died, so I'm just shooting up part 2, a quick part 2. It's going to be just about 4 or 5 minutes, just to complete where we left off. I went ahead and installed the transformer, replaced the transformer. There it is. All right, I had to remove the burner controller, and I'm going to leave the link to the video, the previous video, in the description, so check for that. Okay, go watch it right now before you watch this one. Right, so once you see that one, then you'll know where we're at. Okay, you'll be up to speed. So you had to remove the burner controller. As a matter of fact, before we get further into the video, D2DNY, real world HVAC simplified. And now in this video, it's a continuation. All right, a continuation of a Beckett burner assembly teardown, igniter replacement, and so igniter and ignition transformer replacement. All right, I bet you guys thought I forgot, huh? Nah, every time it's there. Now, before we continue, if you hadn't subscribed, do so right now, and smash that bell icon, so when I upload videos like these, you get them right away. So like I was saying, here's one of the wire for the ignition transformer, and I'm going to be fired. This board is going to be turning on for the first time after all that, if you saw the previous video. So you had to see this. I mean, it's either going to blow up or it's going to work. I'm kidding. It's going to work. It's not going to blow up. It's going to be fine. So yeah, so this is one of the wire for the transformer. So I remove this burner controller here. So, and then the other wire, if I could open this with one hand. Oh, there it is. Other wire is right here. Okay, so that's it. That's in. Close that back. And I'm gonna find my screwdriver so I can put this back on. Okay, here it is. Put this back on. And I'm gonna be turning this on. And like I said, you guys comment right now. Comment right now. I want to see you guys comment and tell me what you think. If you saw the previous video, the part 1 of this video, exactly what I was doing, and tell me what you think. You think it's going to work? Or you think it's going to be a kaboom? Kaboom. All right. So everything is tightened up. Gas valve union. Gas valve union right there. It's opened again, and so switch on, calling for heat. So now one thing I want to point out to you guys is that when you open this section here, everything from this section here is low pressure, or basically after the gas valve. So when you're in the burner, you don't have to worry too much about getting a leak or having a leak, because once you pass the gas valve, oh, there it goes. Let's see. So once you pass the gas valve, everything else, here's a nozzle inside, so there's no holding in pressure or building in pressure. Behind the gas valve, that's where the pressure holds. But once you come past the gas valve, basically it's just releasing into the chamber. So there's no backup or buildup. There's a hole in the nozzle where it releases. So you don't have to worry too much about having leaks, under here, over here, you know what I'm saying? Because again, once it comes through, there's a hole in the nozzles of a hole, the gas will release. All right. So through here, you can see if this light fired up. From here, one place, and from here is another. But we'll see. Pilot, flame and main. The pilot, flame, main valve. So it worked, guys. First time I fired it up, it worked like a champ. We are away. Pilot, my flame, my main valve is open. I'm firing high fire right now. So the boiler is warming up. Crackling steam boiler. Alright, so yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Give the previous video that I'm gonna leave in the description, that link a thumbs up as well. Alright. I do upload videos on a weekly basis.